Hi Ray, I've got a little issue with the demo map itself and in particular Bright. So there should be a marker here. If I go to the actual edit page for the demo page, you can see that the marker is here, and I've had a look at all the settings and everything seems okay on the front end. So I'm not exactly sure why this marker is falling off from the main page. If I zoom out, zoom in again, it just won't come up, and it should be at the end of this trail here. Now I could delete the marker and put the marker back in. That might probably work, but it's concerning that there is a marker within settings here and it's not appearing on the front end. So if you could have a look at that, that would be great. All right, I'll leave it with you. Thanks, Ray. Cheers.